So, have you heard about the new kid at school? Yeah. Well, they actually say that boy throws up so much he could fill up an ocean. Well, I can't believe that. Why not? How could this boy throw up an ocean? That would take like over 38 years. I know. Yeah, well, I'm gonna get back on my laptop. What are you doing? Typing. What? Hello. I'm looking up this murderer. It was on the news. It says he... Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh my dear. What's wrong? It says he like kills people. Just scared me like that. Ow. Okay. Let me search up more stuff. It says he's a blue dog. Same fur. Oh god. He's like you. What? Yeah. But his eyes, they're like torn off. It's so weird. Ew. That has to be disgusting. Hairball. Ew. Just ew. I know I'm a cat. It's not disgusting. You'll get used to it. So, what else does it say? It says he hunts around at night. I am not going to no parties at night tonight. Me either. Me either. Okay, let's look up some more stuff. Well, it says, well, seriously, he actually hunts at night. Yeah, you just told us that. Oh. Well, his age is like 15, and he comes to people's houses, and he knocks on the door. Really weird. Oh my gosh. Open the... I opened the door. I'm crying. Oh god.
You kids. I don't like you.
What did we ever do to you? What did you like? Huh? No!
I didn't like her. I killed her. I killed her. You remember me. You remember
I shall remember you because you look like her. My best friend, no. I'm gonna go call 911. Oh no, I think your friend's dead. I'm sorry. See, this is the biggest one ever. It's really bad. I've never seen anything like this. Okay, get the coffin. I'm sorry. Can I say one goodbye? Yes. Goodbye. I love you. I'm sorry about your friend, everybody. Goodbye. I can't believe him. sure if I ever get my hands on him or see him in the street, I'm gonna go faster than a lightning bolt and run him over! I'm just so sad. My best friend! Don't be sad. I wonder what's gonna happen to us now. What do you mean? What if he comes back and murders us? This would be so tragic. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. No! Don't kill me! Jump behind the couch.
I'll be coming back to the Fabulous house and killing more and more and more. I'll be coming for you, and for you LPSs. You scratched my eyes out in hatred. So now I'll be killing you. Goodbye for now.
Where'd he go? I'm gonna get a knife so I can catch him if he comes back. I don't have one. No. I shall use this panic racket. Okay, tomorrow we'll be ready. Next time, come back to my house.
You weren't expecting this.
I'm going. Okay.